My name is Michael Post. I am the manager of Schenectady Computer Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your hard drive with a solid state hard drive. For this, we're going to be using the Dell XPS 14. It's a very unique model and we will be doing later videos on this. But we have the solid state hard drive. Today it's going to be 120 gigs. We have a Philips driver and a T5 Torx driver. Alright, so we're going to flip the laptop over. This one's unique. It actually has a section for it. So what we're going to do is there's two Phillips heads under this panel. Now we got to switch to the Torx because on the outside there are 6 Torx screws. They come out pretty simple. Alright, there's a vent back here on the back side of the panel. It's usually the easiest way to lift up the whole back panel. This one? No. There we go. And it just lifts off just like that. Just be careful. I already unplugged this previously, but this is just the LED indicator for the battery. Hard drives here, got this I/O cable over it. You lift it up, pull it over. There are 4 Phillips screws holding that hard drive caddy in. So go back to the Phillips. Just to keep track where all the screws are, it's best to separate them. If that wasn't enough, got a wire holding that in. That's the hard drive data connector. Pull it straight out, then out of the hard drive. You got 4 more screws holding the caddy together. There's the hard drive, there's the caddy. Now, we're going to upgrade to the solid state. So that goes in. All you do is you line up the holes, put the screws back in, pretty much do everything in reverse. Having a magnetic tool will help you out a lot in this case. Bunch of tiny screws, you don't want them to go missing. Then plug in the adapter. And yes, I did that right. For a second there I thought I put it in upside down, but then you plug that in, push it in. Yeah, you can do that because it doesn't cover over any of the screws. So I'm going to install that. Put these 4 screws back in. And then put it back together. This concludes this video. If this has helped you out in any way, please click the like button. For more information, visit www.computer-answers.com. This is Mike signing out.